This is the real test, the first big test of the sous vide. This is an all-in-one automatic instant sous vide eggs bob. Okay, what I've got here are two silicone pouches. This is all the stuff for the hollandaise: butter, eggs, lemon, seasonings in the pouch, and then in the other pouch of course, Canadian bacon. So that's ready to go. And then silicone cups here for the eggs. And the way they're done is I have two upside down pans in there to bring the water up. And then the two eggs are in the cups. I did have a little disaster when I missed the cup. Oops, we'll have to see how that works out. I have 3 out of the 4 eggs ready to go, and then I just float this in the water, and it just floats around for a little bit here. Then I crack the egg, and then guide the cup to a stable spot and drop the egg in just like that. Bingo. 4 eggs poaching. Now I'm going to take the hollandaise and I'm going to drop it right down here in the middle. Just like this. Oops, didn't seal the bag. Let's get this sealed up in case it leaks. Okay, there's your whole hollandaise mix. Uh-oh, losing it. Uh-oh, we have a small disaster. We have to fix some things here. And the Canadian bacon goes in right here, very, very gently. Nope, not gonna go. Okay, we're gonna have to do that. I think we may have to do that separately. Put the top on. All right, it's about 2.5 hours later, and we are about to see what's inside the sous vide. Okay, here we go. We're going to open this, and looks like our eggs are looking pretty good, but the real question here is, what about that hollandaise sauce? That's in the bag. Awful looking mess in there. This part definitely needs some work. You'll notice how calm everything is. This is a big change. Look at this. Woo! Instant 2-hour hollandaise sauce. But it's pretty lumpy. I'm not sure I like that. Tastes great. Okay. We did have to put the ham in the microwave. Canadian bacon. Prepping mine with the complete kit here. All right, egg 1. Woo! Look at that baby. Egg 1, egg 2. Look, you just flip this, boom, right there. I think I like this. Here you go, Joan.
Wow. Well, they jiggle like they're done.
Yes.
Oh, you gave me 2. Oh, goodness.
You just noticed that.
I did.
Well, you don't have to eat both. All right, look at that. Pops right there. Uh-oh, we had it. We had a crash on that tower. Big problem here.
Ooh, look at that.
Too much stuff. Went
Yummy
right out,
goodness.
came right out of the avocado dam.
Oh yeah, they're very runny, very runny. The eggs are.
Well, now see, I would call this pretty darn close to perfect. Look at that. Soft, gelatinous, but not too runny. And definitely not hard and dry.
It's definitely all over the plate though.
Yes, it is a big mess all over the plate.
I don't think that egg is done enough.
So what we're finding is that the white goes all over the place, but the yolks are perfect.
The whites are not very appetizing in this form. The yolk is fine, but
It was a good experiment. We learned something. The white's definitely still too runny. We're going to have to work on that. Not sure exactly what we'll do, but something. But we also had, I am sure, the calmest serving preparation of eggs Benedict that we've ever had in the RR family.